ABML morning update. Nifty reclaims 26,000 despite sell-off in global markets as shift away from AI trade seen benefiting India. Global markets. The S&P 500 rose on Wednesday following a 4-day slide centered around technology as investors looked ahead to Nvidia's upcoming earnings. The broad market index gained 0.38% to close at 6,642.16, while the Nasdaq Composite advanced 0.59% to settle at 22,564.23. The Dow Jones Industrial Average climbed 47 points or 0.1% to finish at 46,138.77. Federal Reserve officials were at odds during their October meeting over cutting interest rates, divided over whether a stalling labor market or stubborn inflation were bigger economic threats, minutes released Wednesday showed. While the Federal Open Market Committee approved a cut at the meeting, the path forward looks less creation. Disagreements stretched into the outlook for December, with officials expressing skepticism about the need for an additional cut that markets had been widely anticipating, with many saying that no more cuts are needed, at least in 2025. European stocks closed lower on Wednesday, with the Pan-European Stoxx 600 slipping 0.03%. Domestic market. Indian equity indices ended on a positive note on November 19th. At close, the Sensex was up 0.61% at 85,186 and the Nifty was also up 0.55% at 26,053. GIFT Nifty trades higher by 15 points at 26,068, signaling a positive start to the trading session. India's IT spending is projected to surge by 10.6% in 2026, reaching a staggering $176.3 billion, driven by the rapid adoption of cloud and digital technologies. This growth is fueled by significant investments in AI infrastructure and government initiatives aimed at bolstering the local AI ecosystem, with the data center systems segment expected to witness the highest annual growth at 20.5%, reaching $9.38 billion. As enterprises invest in AI-enabled solutions and modern IT infrastructure, software spending is set to rise 17.6% to $24.7 billion. The IT services sector will also experience significant growth, increasing by 11.1%, driven by demand for infrastructure as a service, consulting, and application modernization. With local CIOs prioritizing cybersecurity, AI/ML, data analytics, and hyper-automation, the Indian IT sector is poised for remarkable growth. Focus for the day: US industrial production. Key corporate developments and policy actions. Max Healthcare doubled its on-site solar panel capacity in FY25 and used nearly 70,000 gigajoules of renewable energy across facilities, supported by limited competitive intensity and a strong deal pipeline. Omax Autos reported that the Lucknow GST department has dropped a 126 crore rupee tax order issued on alleged suppression of facts and tax evasion. NTPC Green signed a pact with Singareni Collieries for developing renewable energy projects. CG Power has received an income tax assessment order of 365 crore rupees for AY 2018-19 and is in the process of filing an appeal. Fund flow. FII bought shares worth 15.8 billion rupees, while DII also bought for 13.6 billion rupees.
Investment in securities markets are subjected to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.